Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, April 4th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to share with you my secret formula for earning mailbox money using direct mail. I have a lot of people reach out to me all the time asking what my secret formula is, so I thought I would break it down and share it with you all. Okay, I like to provide value in my videos, and if you've never seen any of my videos before, again, I'm Russ. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 years. I've been working full-time for myself since 2018, and I am passionate about helping people generate an income from home. So the first thing that you want to do, or the first part of my secret formula, if you want to call it a secret formula, is plugging into the right programs. All right, if you want to make money using direct mail / postcard opportunities, you want to have the right programs. Okay, and the programs that I use for my direct mail marketing have been around for a long time. Okay, they're proven, they work, they have lots of members. You can get in touch with the owners of both companies. They're very transparent. Both companies, neither one of them are going anywhere. Okay, these are solid opportunities. In fact, I would put all my money on it that they are the top 2 best direct mail / postcard opportunities on the planet. Okay, there's always new ones popping up, and there's some other ones that are good that have been around for a long time, but the 2 that I use are, in my opinion, the best. Okay, and I love to research everything. So they both offer real products. Okay, so the products that you're getting are leads that you can share your other opportunities with. All right, they're leads, they're people who are looking for ways to supplement or replace their income, and they're just great opportunities. All right, they work if you work them. So you want to have programs that are top notch. All right, and that's what I'm a part of. The second thing you want to do is you want to use the marketing materials that they provide for you. All right, there's no need to reinvent the wheel. Both of these opportunities have high converting postcards, high converting flyers. You can get drop cards, you can get, all kinds of different marketing material, but use what they give you. A lot of times people, they want to create their own postcard, and you don't need to do that. You're just adding more work for yourself. You don't need to create your own postcards. All right, use the marketing materials that they provide. There's a reason they provide the marketing materials, because they work. All right, the owners of these companies know what they're doing. So there's no need to reinvent the wheel. There's no need to, add more work for yourself. Okay, just use the marketing materials that they have. The third thing you want to do is mail consistently. All right, consistency is the real secret formula. All right, that consistency is what separates people who make a little bit of money compared to those who make 6 and 7 figures a year with direct mail. It's consistency. So even if you can only afford to mail out 25 to 50 postcards a week, stay consistent in doing that every single week. Mail out those postcards or letters. I mail out letters, but it doesn't, if you're just getting started, you just want to mail out postcards, and just keep mailing them out every single week. Do the same exact thing every single week. When you start making commissions, you take some of those commissions, you reinvest some of that back into your business, and now double the amount of postcards that you're mailing out. All right, so if you started with 25 a week, now mail out 50 a week, and keep mailing out 50 a week. Listen, even 25 postcards mailed out weekly adds up over time. It compounds. All right, because not everybody is going to join you right away when they see your postcard. But I have postcards on my desk that people have sent me. Some of them have been on my desk for a while, and I'll take a look at them once in a while. So just because you mail out a postcard today and you don't get a reply back from people, it doesn't mean that those postcards all go in the garbage. All right, some might be put on a magnet on the refrigerator. Some might be sitting on people's desks. Some people might use them as a bookmark. You will get signups over time from people who have received your postcards from months ago, okay? It happens to me all the time. So the more postcards you send out, obviously the better, because it's a numbers game. The more eyeballs who see your opportunities, it usually leads to more referrals, okay? That's just how it works. It's just a common sense thing. So whatever you can do to start out with your mailings, just mail consistently. Okay, that's the real secret. Mailing consistently. And if you're brand new to this, once you start getting results, all right, I always tell people, wait until you earn, $500 to $1,000 a month consistently with any one program before adding a new income stream. But once you start doing that, you can scale this operation. You can scale your business. You can build a mailbox money empire, all right, by adding more opportunities. And that's what I've done. I mail out letters now that include all of my opportunities, or the ones that I'm currently sharing. And ever since I've started doing that, I've tripled my income. All right. So instead of just mailing out a postcard, you're mailing out all of your opportunities with a personalized letter. And my conversion rates are just a lot better than just mailing out postcards. So you can do that. You can start stacking income streams over time to build and scale your business. And that's what I do. And the last thing that you want to do, the last secret of my secret formula is you want to build a relationship with the people who join you, okay? You want to build trust, and you want to follow up with them. So, in the beginning, when somebody joins me, I send them a welcome email. I send them a resource page with different places online they can share their opportunities. I send them my letter template, and they get my contact information so they can reach out to me anytime they have questions or need any help. That's what you want to do. And then periodically, I will follow up with those who are taking action. Okay? And that's what you want to do. You want the people joining you want them to know that you are available if they have a question or need any help. All right? You want them to trust you, because by helping them, you're helping yourself. Okay? So that is my secret formula for earning mailbox money using direct mail. It's very simple to do. You do not have to be a marketing genius or guru or have a huge email list. You don't even have to use social media if you don't want to. I recommend you do. I use Facebook and YouTube, but you don't have to. By doing so, though, you will definitely get more conversions. All right? So you get the complete blueprint when you join me. You get all my resources. You get my letter template. You get my contact information. I do offer one-on-one phone consults, 1-hour phone consults, where I can talk to you, see what you're looking to get out of all this, and I can come up with a strategy, small actionable steps that you can take to help build your business. I also offer monthly coaching, and that is, an accountability coaching. So not me doing the work for you, but me suggesting what to do, and then, checking in with you daily and having accountability calls every week, just to get you in the right mindset and to get you used to doing simple steps each and every day that compound over time that will help you build your business. Okay. And I just want to mention one thing. I do not guarantee that you're going to make any money by joining me in any program or I can't guarantee you're going to make any money if you sign up for a phone consult or my monthly coaching package. I can tell you that if you follow what I tell you, you can have success, all right? But it's all based on your work ethic, and I don't know your work ethic, so therefore I can't guarantee your results. But I can tell you that the people who do join me and take massive action, they show up every day and they stay consistent, they get results, okay? So if you want any more information about any of my opportunities, you can go to joinruss.com. Let me get one of my new business cards here. All right, joinruss.com. Here you can check out the opportunities I'm sharing with people right now. You can join my newsletter. You can book a 1-hour phone consult. You can sign up for my coaching program. And you can check out my YouTube videos and send me a friend request on Facebook if you want to. So with that being said, I appreciate you. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.